No, I thought the last game that they played, Sabitzer scored 2 goals and they took him off about 75, 80 minutes. I thought that substitution was a precaution because you have to rest him up for the next game. But no, this man come out and said this man come out and said Sabitzer is injured, Parry. Injured, you know? Pain in his knee. How the fuck is it pain in his knee? But today, he's on the bench. If he's injured, why is he on the fucking bench, fam? What the heck is going on with Ragnick? He's on the bench. So if he's good enough to be on the bench, I mean, he's good enough to play. Is he injured or is he not? What are you trying to tell me, Ragnick? Because I'm going to tell you right now. I'm telling you right now, Manchester United fans are worried. I don't want to go back to see McTominay and Fred. The midfield. I am worried, fam. And you're not helping the situation by telling me that, yes,